keto-enol isomerism. By the name, it is clear that keto-enol tautomerism arises because of interconversion between two functional parts. One is called keto form, another one is called enol form. Compounds containing ketonic group is called keto form, and compound containing enolic group, ENE stands for double bond and OL stands for alcohol. It means the functional part which containing both double bond as well as alcoholic part, this is called enol form. For example, interconversion of keto form of acetoacetic ester into enol form. For this interconversion, the presence of alpha hydrogen is compulsory, and in this case two source of alpha hydrogen, this is CH3 group has 3 alpha hydrogen, this CH2 group has 2 alpha hydrogen. In this case, one alpha hydrogen shifted from carbon atom to the oxygen atom, and that become OH, alcoholic group, and this CO double bond shifted between the carbon and it become keto to enol form. These two forms are dynamic in nature, so this is also known as dynamic isomerism. Keto-enol form exist in dynamic form and are interconvertible. Keto form is generally more stable than that of enol form, but when two keto groups separated by one CH2 group, then their enolic form become more stable. This is a very important point for the competitive examinations like medical and engineering. In general, keto form is more stable. But if two keto form, for example, this is CH3, CO, this is CH2 and CO, and remaining some group. Two keto group is separated by CH2 group. In such type of cases, enolic form become more stable. It means this is not necessary always keto form is more stable. Another example is phenol. Phenol has enolic form, PHENOL. It means phenyl containing enolic group, that is phenol, and phenol has enolic form, and phenol is more stable than their respective keto form. Next term related to this keto-enol tautomerization is enolization. The conversion of keto form into enol form is known as enolization. This is the order of enolization. Simple aldehyde and ketone has less tendency to convert it into enol form, but beta keto ester has more tendency to convert it into enol form, and then beta diketone, then phenol. Phenol has maximum tendency to convert it into enol form because their enol form is resonance stabilized, while keto form is not stabilized as complete resonance.